All right, okay. Crusaders coming back at you guys with another video. This video, I'm gonna be opening up to you guys a little bit. It's been almost a year since I released my first video. You guys remember this?
Hello and welcome. I'm the Credit Crusader.
And it's been a wild ride,
I'm here to
say the least. But I think it's time that I go ahead and open up to you guys and let you guys know a little bit about my story and how I got involved in the credit industry, and also an opportunity for you as well. For me, it all started back 2014, 15, around there. And I was working at a job, corporate America, right? You got to get your PTO and your sick days, your insurance package, and all this stuff. You know, corporate America is. And it's like, I mean, just so you guys know, from birth, I was pretty much raised, you got to go to school, you got to play football, and then you got to get a job. And that's how you have a good life. So it was like, yeah, that's what I was pretty much programmed to do from birth. So that's what I did. So I'm at this job, and I'm really not liking it. It's like I got this boss who I'm like 1,000 times smarter than, and I could run the place 1,000 times better than. I got the guy sitting next to me who's like a complete idiot, and he's getting a promotion because he's like juiced in with, like the politics and all that. And I'm just like, you know what? This is, God, this sucks. So anyways, I'm at work, and the phone rings, and I'm like, all right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and answer it because I'm on the clock. And it's my buddy, and I'm like, hey, what's up? He's like, dude, you're not gonna believe this. I'm like, what? He's like, do you have any credit cards? I'm like, credit cards? Why do you want to know if I have credit cards? He's like, yeah, man, there's like this company that will pay you to add people as an authorized user, and they pay like $100 or whatever. I'm like, $100? You know what I mean? So at first I'm kind of like, all right, is this a scam? Are they trying to take the money? Are they trying to like run up? Are they going to ruin my credit? Because at the time I didn't know anything about credit. So, he assured me that's not the case. You just add someone as an authorized user and you just get paid to do it. It's real easy. And it's an easy way to make side money. So I'm like, all right, okay. I was definitely interested because I was looking for something other than what I was doing. And sure enough, I went ahead and gave it a try, and boom, it worked out. I just went in, they told me to add someone as an authorized user. I went and did it, and I got paid to do it. And I'm like, I don't believe this. Now at the time, I had one card that was old, so I didn't have a lot of cards I could sell. But I'm like, I gotta get more cards. So I went and started getting a bunch of cards because I'm thinking, all right, well, one card is good, 5 cards is better, right? So, but at the time, you got to remember that I didn't really know what I was doing, and nobody did. There really wasn't a lot of information about this. So it's like, okay, I was just getting, the first credit card. I just went online, like, oh yeah, I'll take that one, that one. I mean, I didn't know which ones to get. I didn't know which ones were good. There was very limited information about all this. So to make a long story short, I amassed an ass load of credit cards, and I was pretty much able to quit my job. And now I can dress up like a superhero on YouTube and pretty much do what I want. I'm not the kind of guy that likes to brag and be like, oh, look at me, I got all this money, because it's like, I'm just not like that. But what I will say is this: that was my story, okay? So now the next question is, what is your story gonna be? Right now, I'm calling you right now. I'm that buddy. And I'm asking you, hey man, do you have any old credit cards? There's this company that'll pay you to add them. And I'm being serious. I am starting my own trade line company, and I'm going to be looking for cardholders. People just like you who may have an old card that they're looking to sell, looking to make extra money. If that's the case and you'd like to get in this industry, reach out to me on Skype. My Skype information is in the description, or email me. You can email me for this, and we'll connect, and maybe we can get a relationship of some sort going, because there's definitely a lot of money to be made out here, and I'm a wealth of knowledge as far as letting you know how to make it. I'll tell you guys right now, as far as investments, or as far as any business that I've ever been in, this one's been the best. I've done things like real estate. I've done things like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I've done things, stock market. I've done it. I've been involved in a lot of stuff. And this by far has been the best for me. And this by far has enabled me to pretty much be free. I don't have to go to that job anymore. And I never will. So if that's something you're interested in doing and you would like to learn more about this industry, reach out to me on Skype. Let's make some money. I got to get going. Got tons more work to do. But as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Crusader out.